Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard CBSE chapter 7 exercise 7.4 19th sum. Integrate 6x plus 7 by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx. First see here, you can take it as I equal to integral 6x plus 7 by root of, you can multiply these two terms, you can get the value of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20. See here, x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 into dx. So it gives integral 6x plus 7 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20. So I equal to integral 6x plus 7 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. You know the property. What is the property? Numerator equal to a into d by dx of the denominator plus b. You don't take the square root, you take the terms, this quadratic form alone you can take it. Okay, see, numerator equal to a into d, numerator equal to a into d by dx of this quadratic value x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b. What is that numerator? Numerator is 6x plus 7 equal to a into differentiation of this value. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. What is the differentiation of minus 9x? Minus 9. This constant term become 0 plus b, equating the coefficient of x and constant term on both the sides. So equating the coefficient of x and constant term, coefficient of x and constant term on both the sides, constant term on both sides. See, what is the value we are getting? Both sides. What is the value we are getting now? 6 equal to 2a. 6 equal to 2a. What is the value of a? What is the value of a? A equal to 3. What is the value of a? A equal to 3. Constant term on both the sides. So what is the constant term? 7 equal to minus 2a. Constant term minus 9a. Minus 9a plus b. So 7 equal to minus 9 into what is the value of a? A value is 3 plus b. 7 equal to minus 27 plus b. 7 plus 27 equal to b. What is the value of b? B equal to 34. So I equal to integral, that numerator value we changed into, see that numerator value 6x plus 7 you changed into a into, what is the value of a? 3 into d by dx of means 2x minus 9. What is the value of b? B value is 34. B value is 34. 6x plus 7 equal to a value is 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b value is 34. So you changed I equal to integral 3 into 2x minus 9 plus 34 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx plus 20 into dx. So I equal to integral, you split the term 3 into 2x plus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx plus, you split the term, plus 34 integral plus integral 34 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. You can take it as the term I equal to, this is I1 plus I2. First you can take it as I1 value. What is I1? I1 equal to, it is a constant, you can take it out, 3 into integral 2x plus 9 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. See here, you can take it as x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to t. Okay, is it clear? See, differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of minus 9x is, see, 2x minus 9. 2x minus 9. Differentiation of minus 9x is minus 9. So, you can take it as x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. So, what is the value we are getting? 2x minus 9 equal to dt by dx. So, you bring it dx to the left hand side. See here, 2x minus 9 into dx equal to dt. Substitute in this I1, get the value I1 equal to 3 into integral 2x minus 9 into dx equal to dt by root t. dt by root t. See, I1 equal to 3 into integral, that root t you can bring it into the numerator, that root also you can write as whole power 1 by 2. It comes t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. So, it gives 3 into t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. You can take it as plus C1. So, 3 into t power 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. You can take it as 2 as the LCM, minus 1 by 2 plus 1. You get the value 1 by 2 plus C1. Reciprocal that value. So, 3 2s are 6. That reciprocal 3 2s are 6 into t power 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 plus C1. So, it gives 6 into, what is the value of t? We kept it there. Yeah. X square minus 9x plus 20. X square minus 9x plus 20 whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2 plus C1. Whole power 1 by 2 plus C1. It gives 6 into root of. 6 into that 1 by 2 means root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus C1. Now, you move on to I2. What is I2? I2 equal to integral 34 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. 34 is a constant, so you can take it out. Integral 1 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So, you can take that value x square minus 9x plus 20, do it as a completing the square method. What is the coefficient of x here? You don't take the sign because it is square means become plus. So, 9 by 2 the whole square. 9 by 2 the whole square. X square minus 9x plus 81 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus 20. So, it gives x square minus 9x plus 81 by 4. You can take it as 4 as the LCM. So minus 81 plus 24s are 80. 80 by 4 it gives minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. So x minus, what is the square root of this value? 9 by 2 the whole square. This means that a minus b the whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So x, if it is minus means you can put minus. What is the square root of this value? 81 by 4. It is nothing but what? 9 by 2 minus 1 by 4. You can make it as a square form, means 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square. So I2 equal to 34 into integral, see, 1 by root of x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square into dx. See, what is the formula for integral? Dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Now you apply the formula in I2. I2 equal to 34. I2 equal to 34 into log of modulus of. Log of modulus of what is the x value? X minus 9 by 2. This is x value plus root of x square minus, I will write it here, root of x square minus x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square, minus 1 by 2 the whole square, or you can write as x square minus 9x plus 20 modulus of e plus c. You can write as what? Plus c2. Can write as plus c2. So I2 equal to 34 into log of modulus of x minus 9 by 2 plus, you write it instead of this value, you can write it this value, because we brought all the values from that from that term only, quadratic term only, plus 20 plus c2. So what is the value of I equal to I1 plus I2. I equal to I1 plus I2. That C you can write. C1 plus C2 gives what is the value? C equal to C1 plus C2. So you can write as C. So I equal to, what is the value of I1? 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus, what is the value of I2? 34 into log of modulus of x minus 9 by 2, x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 9x plus 20, x square minus 9x plus 20 modulus of x square minus 9x plus 20, that C1 plus C2, that C1 plus C2, that value is nothing but what? C. So you can write plus C, can write plus C. Yeah, see the 20th sum, integrate x plus 2 by root of 4x minus x square. The same way we can proceed what we have proceeded in the 19th sum, numerator equal to a into d by dx of the denominator. You can take this value alone, don't take the square root. What is that value? 4x minus x square, 4x minus x square plus b. So x plus 2 equal to a into what is the differentiation of 4x? 4 minus what is the differentiation of x square? 2x plus b. Equating the x and constant term on both the sides. Equating the coefficient of x and constant term. X and constant term on both the sides. Constant term on both the sides. Both sides. What is the value we are getting now? See, what is the coefficient of x here? 1. 1 equal to what is the coefficient of a? What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 2a. Coefficient of x is minus 2a. Minus 2a. So, a equal to minus 1 by 2. A equal to minus 1 by 2. Then constant term. Constant value is 2. Constant value is 2. What is the constant here? 4a. 4a plus b. 4a plus b. So, 2 equal to, you can substitute the a value by minus 1 by 2. 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus b. Cancel. 2 equal to minus 2 plus b. b equal to 2 plus 2. b value equal to 4. b value equal to 4. So, you substitute the value of a and b here. Numerator x plus 2 equal to a value is minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x. So, what is the value of b? b equal to plus 4. So, I equal to, the value you can take it as I equal to integral, that numerator you changed into what? Minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2x plus 4 by, what is the denominator here? Root of 4x minus x square into dx. Now you split the term. I equal to integral minus 1 by 2 4 minus 2x by root of 4x minus x square into dx plus integral 4 by root of 4x minus x square into dx. So, minus, you can take it as I equal to I1 plus I2. First, we will see the I1 value. What is I1 here? I1 equal to constant minus 1 by 2, you can take it out. Minus 1 by 2 into integral 4 minus 2x by root of 4x minus x square into dx. See here, differentiation of 4x is 4 and minus x square is minus 2x. So, you can take it as the denominator value is t, that is 4x minus x square equal to t. See, 4x minus x square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. What is the value we are getting? 4 minus 2x equal to dt by dx. So, 4 minus 2x into dx equal to dt. So, 4 minus, what is the numerator value? 4 minus 2x into dx. So, you can substitute here I1 equal to minus 1 by 2. I1 equal to minus 1 by 2 integral 4 minus 2x into dx is nothing but what? dt by root t. dt by root t. So, minus 1 by 2 into integral you bring this value to the numerator, it becomes t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. What is the integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it gives minus 1 by 2 into t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus C1. I1 equal to plus C1. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. T power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 towards the LCM half. Okay, 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 get cancelled. So what is the final value? I1 equal to minus t power 1 by 2 plus C1. So it gives minus, what is the value of t? T is 4x minus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus C1, or otherwise you can write as what? Root of 4x minus x square plus C1. Now we move on to I2. What is I2 here? I2 equal to integral 4 by root of 4x minus x square into dx. You can take that value, this value alone you can take it, you can make it as a completing the square method. See here, 4x minus x square. So minus you can take it out because what is the coefficient of x square here? Minus. So you can take it x square minus out. What is the value? X square minus 4x. X square minus 4x. Minus of x square minus 4x. So it gives, completing the square method, what is the coefficient of x? You don't take the sign. If you want also you can take it. Minus 4 by 2 the whole square means it already become plus. So 2 square plus 4 minus 4. So x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4. So it gives, what is the value for this? X minus, if it is minus means minus, what is the square root of this value? 4, 2, the whole square minus 2 square. Is it clear? X minus square root of this value is 2. So x minus 2 the whole square because b square. So b square value is 4. X minus 2 the whole square minus 2 square. Now you bring minus inside. What is the value for this? Minus into minus plus. So 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. Therefore I2 equal to 4 is constant. You can take it out. Dx by root of 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. So integral dx by root of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. What is the formula? Sine inverse of x by a plus c. So it gives I2 equal to 4 into sine inverse of. Sine inverse of, what is the value of x? X minus 2. What is the value of x? X minus 2 by, what is the value of a? 2. A square is 2. A is 2 plus C2 plus C2. So I equal to I1 plus I2. I equal to I1 plus I2. I already told you C equal to C1 plus C2. Commonly you can write plus C. It's enough for you. What is I1 value? I1 equal to minus of. I equal to minus of root of 4x minus x square. 4x minus x square. I equal to 4x minus x square. What is I2 value? Plus 4 into sine inverse of 4 into sine inverse of x minus 2 by 2, x minus 2 by 2 plus c, x minus 2 by 2 plus c. What is the I value? Minus root of 4x minus x square plus 4 into sine inverse of x minus 2 by 2 plus c.